Interphone Shape allows the pairing between two devices. Let's see the steps together. Ensure that the interphone units are turned off. Press the central button until the LED alternative flashes red and blue. Turn Bluetooth on your phone. After a few seconds, the device in search will show the name of Interphone link. Select this item. If a PIN or code is required, use 0000. The double LED flashing will confirm the connection. Interphone Shape will then enter in standby mode. Confirm the interphone request access to the phone book. If you want to pair a second device, repeat the procedure. Pairing is necessary only once. Then your intercom will automatically recognize the device already paired. With Interphone Shape, you can make and receive calls. Let's see how. If you have an incoming call, press the central button or say a word in the microphone like, "Hello." To end your call, press the central button or wait for the other person to hang up. To make a voice call, briefly press the central button and say in the microphone the name to call. To end the conversation, press the central button or wait for the other person to end the call. Do you need to recall the last number? Double press the central button and automatically the Interphone Shape will start the call. To end the conversation, press the central button or wait for the other person to end the call.